Part 2 island hopping, my birthday celebration with my family. Thank God for my family and safety hopping.
Karen and Jaja. Are we going back? We're going inside now of the cave, so we have to lie down back as much as the lower. And now we're heading here. And look at the rock. Got booty rock. Give me. Are you?
flower corals, tibor corals, like sponge corals. Do you know sponge corals? Like SpongeBob. Color yellow. She's shaped like a SpongeBob. It's a big corals, okay? So guys, ma'am and sir, guys, because in this area is a snorkeling site, if you are a good swimmer, it's okay without life jacket. But like 70-30 or 50-50, always bring your life jacket because your life jacket is your life.
That's my life.
Do you know how to swim, right? It's okay, can you teach me how to swim? So guys, I give you without life jacket, okay? I give you like 30 to 40 for snorkeling in this area. And after snorkeling to the skeleton shipwreck and the coral garden, just come back here on the boat and just proceed to our private cottage. No worries about that because it's same company. Okay? Why here on the boat is the center? Because in this boat, we have a big boss. Like this. This one.
How do you?
Yeah. Upper.
It's my birthday today.
Let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday. Happy
Oh.
birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. One more. Yeah.
I give you pancit.
Okay.
Pancit. Okay, so guys, if you want to swim, if you want to see a shipwreck, it's okay. But if you want to see corals, it's okay again. But if you want to use your kayak, because in this area we have a lagoon. This one, we have a big lagoon in this area. Okay, if you want to use your kayak, if you want to snorkeling, I give you 30 to 40 minutes for snorkeling, and after that, just come back here for lunch, okay? Because I think everybody, you feel hungry.
Yeah.
Me too. Okay?
Thank you.
Guys, okay? Okay, so guys, mami sir, please,
Proceed to the truth.
in this area guys it's so many corals in this area, but aside of corals, it's so many sea urchin. So please, careful, don't stepping on the ground. If you want to stepping on the ground, watch out first,
Why?
okay? But no jellyfish. No jellyfish, there's only sea urchin. Okay? Do you know sea urchin? The black spiky. I show you, it's a lot of here. Okay, so don't jump it. If you want to go down, we have a manual escalator or elevator. Just
Aliyah,
here.
did you hear that?
Elevator, okay?
No.
So guys, if you want to use your kayak, just tell it to Butman.
Don't start
And if you want
that.
to swim, just follow
Don't
to
start.
Kuya. Just Yana. Idol, cute. Oh, cute. Pag cute lang, lumingon eh.